Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to change password on Solflare Wallet. To change your password on Solflare, open your Solflare application and make sure that you're inside the home page. Now, tap on the gear button at the bottom right-hand corner and then click on Security and Privacy. Under Security and Privacy, look for Change Passcode. The passcode works as a password for your Solflare wallet. Whenever you try to open up your wallet, you will be required to enter this passcode. To change your password or your passcode, tap on the Change Passcode button. Enter your current passcode in the text box. Now, enter your new passcode on the next page. Re-enter your new passcode once again, and you have successfully changed your password or your passcode on Solflare wallet. That's how it's easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.